Welcome to the Explainer. Okay, let's talk about AI for a second. What if you could stop having that same boring introductory chat with your AI over and over again? Well, today, we're going to dig into a really powerful, kind of hidden feature in Google's AI that lets you build a permanent, personalized team of expert assistants. Assistants who already know everything about you and your work.
So let's dive right in with a frustration I'm pretty sure we've all felt. You know that feeling, right? Where you have to re-explain everything, all the context, your preferences, your goals, to your AI for every single new task. It's like hiring a brand new intern every single morning. It's exhausting.
Well, the solution is a feature called Google Gems. And I want you to think of these not as just some single, forgetful chatbot. No, think of them as a whole team of customizable AI agents that you can build yourself. Each one has specialized skills and, this is the crucial part, a permanent memory to draw from.
Okay, so here's the crucial point. Before you can even think about building a team, you need to give it a central brain. A single, reliable source of truth that all your AI specialists can tap into, so they're always on the same page.
So how does this actually work in practice? Right, let's look at a real-world example. We're going to follow a case study of a content creator who built this exact brain for their YouTube channel using a tool called NotebookLM. And you're going to want to pay close attention here because this is the foundation for absolutely everything that follows.
And what's really amazing is just how simple it is to build this brain. Seriously, the creator just fed NotebookLM a bunch of links to their videos, and boom, it automatically pulled in all the transcripts. Then they uploaded a spreadsheet with performance data, and just like that, they had this dynamic single source of truth. It's not just a database that stores info, it's a knowledge base that deeply understands the entire history and performance of their channel.
All right, the brain is built. Now for the really fun part. It's time to hire the team. We can now start assembling our specialized AI assistants, our gems, and plug them directly into that central knowledge base we just created.
So, the first hire? They created a viral strategist. Its whole job is to be a brainstorming partner, helping to cook up new video ideas by analyzing what's worked in the past, all based on that rich data we put into the knowledge base.
And check this out. This is the blueprint for creating a gem. It's so simple. You just define a clear goal, say, maximizing viewer duration. You connect it to the knowledge base we just built, and then you give it a specific tool. For this strategist, it's just a standard chat, which is perfect for that quick back-and-forth brainstorming.
Next up on the payroll, the scriptwriter. Now, what's fascinating is that this specialist is connected to the exact same brain, but it's built for a totally different job. The only thing that changes is the tool it's given, and believe me, that one little change makes all the difference.
And this slide just illustrates the core concept so beautifully. Just by swapping the tool from standard chat to deep research, the gem's entire behavior shifts. It literally transforms from a casual brainstorming partner into a serious researcher that goes out, analyzes trends, and generates a full report that's ready to be turned into a script. How cool is that? Okay, the final member of our AI team is built to tackle one of the biggest creative bottlenecks for any creator out there, generating compelling visuals. We're talking, of course, about video thumbnails.
And you guessed it, we see the same simple blueprint here. The goal is super specific: create minimalist thumbnails. It's connected to the channel's brain for all that important context. And the tool? It's swapped to image generation. And just like that, this gem becomes an on-demand designer that already knows the channel style and can spit out custom visuals in seconds.
So, okay, we have our team of specialists. That's awesome. But what if you could make them all work together automatically to complete a really complex task? Now this is where things get really powerful.
This is where a new capability inside Google's AI, called OPAL, comes into play. And it's an absolutely incredible feature. It lets you describe a complex, multi-step workflow just in plain English. OPAL then takes that description and instantly builds a functional little mini app to automate that exact workflow for you.
So the creator in our case study used this to build a social media manager app that automates their entire content repurposing workflow. And the most incredible part, it required zero coding, not a single line, none at all.
The app it created is just beautifully simple. All it has is two input fields, one for the video thumbnail and one for the script. The creator hits go and the app automatically runs the whole show. It generates a written LinkedIn post, a perfectly sized image for LinkedIn, and another one for Instagram. A whole complex process now totally automated with just a single click.
Okay,
Let's pull back for a second and look at the big picture here. What does being able to build these kinds of systems actually mean for how we get stuff done?
Look, this represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with AI. We're moving way beyond simple one-off chats. This is about building a persistent, personalized AI ecosystem. You're creating a team that actually remembers, that specializes, and that collaborates automatically. It's not just another tool, it's a true productivity engine that you build for yourself.
So the real takeaway here isn't just about what this one creator built, you know? It's a blueprint, and it leaves us with a pretty fascinating question to think about. If you could assemble your own team of AI experts, each with a perfect memory of your work, what would you have them do?